Hello guys, what's up? Are you tired or are you searching to fix fast overheating in your mobile phone while using this? I got a solution for you. The CoolWing Magisk module is a powerful tool designed to enhance your mobile gaming experience by effectively mitigating overheating issues. This module seamlessly integrates with the Magisk framework, allowing you to optimize your device's performance and maintain a cooler temperature while gaming. Okay, let's start the video. Most watch. How to install? Just follow me and download link in pinned comment or the description. Then done. I hope it's worked from your device. If you want root your phone, just message this My Two Frames and Facebook application, or you can join Telegram group if you want root your phone and our Telegram to update my uploads. That's for all today's video, guys. I hope I help you. Subscribe for another video. Goodbye. Stay tuned.